Hello everyone, welcome to Droom Doctor, your one-stop destination for all used car needs. Today we have with us this 2017 model Honda Jazz. This is a first owner petrol car and has done just 30,000 kilometers. The front profile of the vehicle looks clean without any scratches or dents. The rubber beading on the hood is slightly worn off. That again could be because of the vehicle has always been parked under open sun. Apart from that, the car has been well kept without any sort of damages in the driver or passenger side profile and the rear profile. The car comes with halogen lamps both for the high and the low beam. There is also a fog lamp right below the headlamp. This car runs on 175/65 R15 tires. The tire seems to be in a moderate condition and needs to be changed in the next 5 to 7,000 kilometers. The car comes with stock alloy wheels. Now, let's open the boot. With 354 liters of boot capacity, this car has one of the largest boot space available in this segment. The spare wheel hasn't been used much and looks new. Now, let's open the hood. This car comes with a 1.2 liter iVTEC petrol engine which produces 89 horsepower and 110 Nm torque. The engine bay looks neat and clean. Honda makes one of the quietest engines available in the market. Like any typical Japanese petrol engine, the engine is smooth and quiet. The car has also been very well maintained. Could see it from the oil being light and translucent. The battery seems to have been changed in the year 2019, which looks fine without any traces of leakages. The rear seat feels quite comfortable and spacious. It is as spacious as a sedan. Having said that, Honda Jazz is one among those big size hatchbacks with a spacious rear side. In terms of space, it can easily accommodate up to 3 people comfortably. There is very good amount of legroom, headroom and underthigh support. The car also comes with an aftermarket noodle floor mat. Now, let's get to the driver's seat. The steering feels smooth and heavy. There are steering motor controls for basic features like audio control and calling options. This car comes with dual airbags, one for the driver's side and the other for the passenger side. This is the stock 2-din music system that came with the car, which supports USB, aux and Bluetooth. This is the automatic climate control AC, with effect being quite good to cool the cabin very quickly. There are twin cup holders here, storage space here, a USB and an aux socket here. Also, there is a 12-volt charging socket here. The dashboard is decently sized. There is also a cup holder here right next to the steering wheel. The gear lever seems to look worn out, which is again negligible, as it wouldn't cost much to put an aftermarket cover on top of the existing one. Now, let's get driving. The drive feels smooth and comfortable. There's almost no noise inside the cabin, both at idle and even while driving. That's very typical of any Japanese petrol car. This is fun to drive and also easy to handle. The braking feels effective and brings the car to a halt in no time. This car comes with a 5-speed manual transmission and the gear shift feels smooth. The car hasn't been driven much by the previous owner. Given that the car has just done 33,000 kilometers over 4 years, it averages out to less than 15 kilometers of drive per day, which is very less. In terms of mileage, this car will return an average of 11 to 12 kilometers per liter in the city and 13 to 14 kilometers per liter on the highway. In terms of maintenance, this car needs to be serviced once in every 10,000 kilometers, with the average bill ranging from 5 to 7,000 rupees per general service. The insurance on this car is expired, which upon renewal will cost approximately 5 to 7,000 rupees for comprehensive insurance, while costing about 3,000 rupees for third-party cover. On the whole, this is a spacious hatchback that has been well maintained and less driven. The asking price for this car is 6.25 lakh rupees. Considering the way the car has been well maintained, anywhere between 6.1 to 6.2 lakhs is a fair price for this vehicle. If you're interested in this car, please drop us your contact number in DM. Our sales team will get in touch with you at the earliest. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to follow us on social media pages for more such amazing product listings.